In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I redesigned the Book of Boba Fett poster using these photos, all on the iPad Pro. At the end of every Book of Boba Fett new episode, there's a new poster released on social media showing a new character in the sandstorm of Tatooine. They're a bit different, they're not your normal traditional Star Wars posters, and just the sand elements of Tatooine engulfing each character looks pretty cool. And although I said I liked it and it's not traditional, what I hope to do in this video is take the traditional Star Wars photos of planet in the background, ships in the background, black borders, and take these new Tatooine posters with the sand and combine them together just for a bit of fun. And as always, I'll be using my 2020 iPad Pro, and the app I'll be using is Affinity Photo. In a video coming up soon, I'll be showing you a bit more into Affinity Photo and how I use it to create posters like this. But until then, let's bounce into Affinity Photo and see what I came up with. you have it. That is the end result. Pretty happy how it came out. This is the second Star Wars poster that I have made on the iPad and Infinity. The first one I'll be showing you in a video or two to come, and it was good fun too. I'm happy with the traditional poster kind of the top half and the more modern Disney Plus version at the bottom half, and just the combination of those two things. I think it looks quite good. Not as good as the original, but good fun, and I learned quite a bit doing it too. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and feel free to comment below of what you liked or maybe didn't like about the poster. And for more videos like this, please hit subscribe, and we'll be diving into the iPad and the apps I'll be using on it soon. I'll see you in the next video.